Welcome back to another exercise in SolidWorks. So this is our model, and if we check note, all dimensions are in millimeter. Type fillet, there are two types of fillet, 4 millimeter, and this is typical, and this is exercise 159. So this is our front view. If you see this circular diameter 95, you will see in section view width is 55. Then there is a hollow part. This hollow part diameter 85. So if you check the thickness of this, 95 minus 85 divide by 2, it's 5 millimeter. Here the thickness not shown, means overall all the thickness is 5 millimeter. So let's start this. We are going to start with front plane sketch. Now activate circle. Now start from origin point, click on origin and drag your mouse and put 195, enter. Escape key to out. Now see, our drawing is fully defined because this is in black color. So just simply exit, or even though if you don't need to exit, simply activate extruded boss base tool. Now here 55 is the length, but let's make it reverse. This face we will keep as a front face. Okay, this is going to be a solid body. Say okay. Now let's add fillet. Now this outside fillet is 8 millimeter. I'll choose constant size fillet because we want to apply here shell command to make a hole or make a hollow shape. So before applying, we will apply fillet. Now here radius 8 millimeter according to drawing, constant size fillet, symmetric. Now let me choose this edge. Say okay. Now I am going to apply shell. Now here let's say wall thickness 5 millimeter. I'll choose this face and here select show preview. See, it will show you the preview. See, now you will see the radius, outside radius are 8. Now inside you will see there is also one tube. This tube outer diameter here shown, this section view. This is the section view of BB. This is the section view. So 48 millimeter, and inside radius hole. Actually this is not radius, it is actually a hole, 30 millimeter, and this length you will see here from this end to here 88, but this is 11 millimeter inside. You will see inside from here. So first we will create a plane, then we will make this one plane. Now first reference I am going to choose this. Now here put dimension 11 millimeter. If you see, it is moving inside. So click flip offside inside. Make sure it is inside. Say yes. Now click on plane sketch, activate circle. Now here I am going to draw two circles. One is 48 millimeter and another is 30 millimeter. Okay. First we will create solid body, then we will cut. So activate extruded cut, but here it is selected this closed region. So at bottom selected contour and choose outside. Now see, it is going to reflect a solid body. Reverse direction. Now length you have to define here 88 minus 11. Say yes. We will measure it. Again select sketch, extruded cut, activate this command. Now here we need to cut. So in selected contour I will choose center one. Now this is the thing going to cut, and here I will choose through all. Even though you can define many conditions, but let's keep through all. Say yes. Look, click on plane, hide, evaluate, measure. Now let's measure this face and this face. Now this green line, normal distance 88, this is our drawing, that's it. Okay, now this is created. Now you will see at this point there is R7 radius, there is corner radius, radius we will apply at the end. There are 3 number, angle 120 degree and 3 number of these objects, and if you see close view, width 10 millimeter, R7, and there is a tapped hole, M5 into 0.8 pitch, depth 8 millimeter, and 3 numbers. 4.2 it is nominal diameter, so we will see how to apply this. Select this face, sketch, activate circle tool, and let's draw here. Now 7 into 2. Activate center line because we want to use mirror pattern. See, this is fully defined sketch. Activate circular pattern. Now here in pattern entities, choose circle as well as line. Here instances 3, equal spaces, and keep angle 360. Point already selected, this is the center point. Now say yes. Now see, this drawing is fully defined. Select outer sketch, convert entity. Now we will trim unnecessary lines. So how you will do it? Just go to trim entity, click power trim, just press left mouse and drag, see, and hover over this and it's going to trim. See, drag, press and drag. Drag, press and drag. See, activate extruded boss base. Now these length 11 millimeter, keep end condition blind. Now it is moving wrong direction, so make a reverse. It should be inside. Keep merge result so that we will not get any other body. Okay, look. Now this all fillet shows 2 millimeter, so let's apply it at the end. Now here we are going to apply a hole. So I am going to use advanced hole. Now in advanced hole, near and far side. So we will choose only one near face. Now this is our near side. Just if you drag, you will see here many things, counter bore hole and anything. I am going to choose straight tap. Okay, come down, metric, tapped bottoming hole, and this is going to be M5 into 0.8. This is M5 into 0.8. Now here, tap drill with cosmetic thread. Choose this one so that you will get the cosmetic thread here also. Now end condition, it's blind, user defined value, means the length 8 millimeter. Now drill point and shape actually. So our length should be up to shoulder. This is the, we are not going to count the tip to here. Position. Okay, it is asking you to choose face, so I am going to choose this face. Now let's say position. Just move your cursor and you will see the center point. Again, move your cursor to edge and you will find out this point. Again, move cursor. Now press escape key to out. Isometric view. Say OK. Now here we are not able to see any cosmetic thread. Just go to option, documents property, and here you will find option detailing and check this box, shaded cosmetic thread. Okay. Now look, all the cosmetic thread is visible. Now let's add some more features here. Okay, let's add this upper feature. This upper diameter you will see 50, depth 12 millimeter, and the distance you will see here 110 millimeter from this plane. This is top plane actually. 50, 12, then there is also 25. See the depth 25, and it is going up to this body. After finishing this, there is a hole. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 types of hole. The first one 25, then this 11, 3 millimeter, this is 12 millimeter. Then there is a 50 millimeter from here to here, and this depth diameter 14, you will see here. Then this diameter 11, and this is up to the end of body. So let's see this. Let's say top plane, plane 110. See, okay. Now sketch. Now this diameter 50, vertical relation, and this is located at center of this. So 55 divided by 2. That's it. Extrude. Keep end condition 12 and reverse direction. Say yes. Let me click and hide the plane. Select back surface, sketch, circle, and draw one circle here, and this diameter 25. Now select one thing, select this outer circle, hold shift key and this circle, and make relation, constraint, symmetry. See, this is fully defined because the sketch is black color. Extrude. Let's apply next. If you apply next, it's going to be apply up to this face. Say yes. Now we need to cut. Right plane, that is perfect. Sketch. Let me draw one center line. And start with line, activate line. Up to here. Now let's activate smart dimension. First this one and select this center line. If you move cursor beyond center line, see it will show you diameter. This diameter 25. Enter. The similarly select this line and this diameter 11. Now the next one, $14. Now this also 11. Okay, let's define the height. Press escape key to choose this 3 millimeter. Okay, now this one is parallel to this 12 millimeter. From here to here it's 12 millimeter. Now from top to this point 50. Okay, this one make sure it should be outside of this edge. So click fixed because it is outside of this face. Now go to feature and activate Revolve Cut. Now it is asking you, would you like to close the sketch, because this is open sketch, one side is only construction line. Say yes. Now see, it is automatically detected the axis of revolution. This line, this construction line is axis of revolution and condition blind, and 360 degree we want to cut. Say yes. If I am going to say right plane, section view, okay. Now look what I did, what I achieved. This is what we want. You will see this flange length 102 millimeter. Okay, thickness 12 millimeter, but this position you will see from here 76 millimeter from, I think this is a horizontal line, oh sorry, right plane, 76 millimeter, width 46 millimeter, and one distance 116 from top. Then at bottom here 48 millimeter, 25 we need to extrude with this two body. We will see 48, 27 from here. So let's create a plane, right plane, plane, and this is 76 millimeter distance. Say okay. Sketch on the plane, activate center rectangle. Okay, now draw one rectangle. The length of this 102, press tab key, and here the width is 46. Okay, let me define the center distance from bottom edge (161). Now here we need to define some more thing, 35 from this edge, and a corner also you will see at here, corner R6, there is two holes, 10 diameter, 76, 23. This is also remember 35, this edge from this edge 35. This is fully defined sketch. Even let's apply fillet at this 6 millimeter and select all. See, apply to all. Okay, cancel. Extrude. Now it is moving wrong directions, so simply reverse the direction. Just tag this 12 millimeter and condition, say yes. Now let's hide this. Sorry, we want to hide. Click plane, hide. Now select back sketch. Okay, activate fillet corner. Now this is the length 48. Tab key, and width is 25. Enter. Okay, and we will apply this corner also 4 millimeter thickness, R4 typical, this corner, and if you see properly here, this corner also have same, because this is typical already written, so I am not going to write here 4 millimeter. So let's apply 4 millimeter, so it makes our work easy. Now distance, it is 27 millimeter from bottom edge. Extrude. If I am going to apply next, see, it's going to apply here. Say okay. Look. Sketch. Now here let me apply a hole. The first hole is 10 millimeter, second one somewhere here. Now hold shift key and select both the holes. First relation equal. Again hold shift key, this second relation horizontal in one line, and okay, let me draw one center line for this. I am going to select this 2, then this line and leave shift, and you will see this option make symmetric. Now first the center distance 76. Now this distance from any corner, like okay, let's like from this corner 23. Extruded cut, and here I am going to choose end condition up to next, so that it's going to cut up to the next face or next plane or next face of this wall, this feature. Look, let's some more important thing. Now here you will see 32 from here, R10 the outer diameter, and distance from top plane 62. So we have to create a plane here. Then what else? Okay, then there is a hole. This is important hole. You will see, if I am going to see the section view of this, you will see the hole here. M10 into 1.5, 10 millimeter depth, then 4 millimeter this. So we will create with the help of advanced hole. I'll show you how to use advanced hole. So first I am going to create top plane, and this plane size is 62. Look, okay, sketch. First do one thing, select this one and convert entity. Okay, we have to choose, this diameter 25 and this also 25. So okay, now 10 means 20, connect line, connect to this, escape key to out, again press L key in your keyboard and activate line tool. Okay, let's do one thing, hold shift key, select both the center horizontal. Now click this horizontal, activate smart dimension, and this center distance is 32. This is fully defined sketch. Even trim entity, power trim, just trim this. Now we have one closed geometry. Activate extruded boss base feature, reverse direction, and here choose up to next. If we choose up to next, it's going to be apply on this face. Say yes. Let me hide this. Now let's apply advanced hole. Now first near side we will choose tabbed hole and select this face. Now metric, tabbed bottoming hole, and R 10 into 1.5. This is the R size, and custom size with cosmetic thread 8.5. This is the nominal or minor diameter, blind, and thread length also 10 millimeter up to here, and keep up to shoulder. Now next is far side, or even though you can choose insert element below active element. See, this is below active element, and this one is hole. So this is simple hole, come down, dowel hole, or let's say drill size. not dowel hole. This is, we selected 4 millimeter, and the depth is important, because we want to, if you choose here to next, the hole is not perfectly going to cut, you will see here. So we have to choose something up to selection, and selection, for selection I am going to choose top plane. Look, it's going to cut up to top plane. Position, move cursor to edge and you will see the center point. Just click escape key to out, and let's see section view or something. Okay, say okay. Look, okay, let's try to cut this section view. Just drag inside. Okay, now look, this is how we cut our hole. Here we have thread and here simple hole. Now let's apply this hole, this typical hole 4. So here also we have 4 mm, 4 millimeter, and here R2, this corner, this out, inside and outside both 2 millimeter in all three, and there is one more feature left, this rib, 30 millimeter from this end to here, and the thickness 6 millimeter. And what else? Here also typical 2 millimeter, means this flange, these two corners have 2 millimeter. Okay. Now these flange have 4 millimeter. So this flange circular have 4 millimeter. Okay. Now what else is there? Thickness 6. Let's make this. First let's make the plane. I'll choose this. Distance 30. Flip side, it should be from inside. Say okay. Sketch. Again put normal line. So this is your outer edge to this line. This is fully defined. Go to feature and activate rib. Now here choose 6 millimeter. Now you will see the arrow is moving something wrong. Select extrusion direction, we change. Now again it is moving outside. So flip material side, 6 millimeter, and choose center one, both side. Say okay. Look. Rib. And this is also 2 millimeter. This inside edge also. Not, don't select face, only edge. Face from top edge, this rib from top edge. Okay. Fillet. Now I am going to activate, first let me activate this corner, then this, and make sure this is 4 millimeter. This bottom edge also 4 millimeter, and this edge also 4 millimeter. this top edge 4 millimeter. Say OK. Let's hide this plane. Which plane is active? Plane 5, hide. Now let activate 2 millimeter. Fillet 2 millimeter. This back is clear and select this edge. I am going to apply first this. If not going to apply, then delete, apply, again activate. Now apply here 2 millimeter. See this all selected. Constant size fillet 2 millimeter radius symmetric. Fillet 2 millimeter. Now the time comes for this. Okay, this back side have that's it. So let me directly choose this 2 millimeter constant size fillet, say yes. That's it. Now let's apply appearance solid. Okay. Now this cutout, let's say this cutout, you can go to material steel, polished steel. Let's choose this cutout, polished steel, this hole, polished steel, and this hole, this advanced hole, and this advanced hole, polished steel. Now let's try to see section views. Right plane, here make 0. Look, again section view, front plane, let's say top mid plane. Look. So this is the simple tutorial for the beginners, those who want to start to learn SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.